Aces Ops, Aces 2-1, request taxi, single shift.
010 midfield wind, 060 at 12, gust 20, cleared for takeoff, change departure.
Aces 01, clear for takeoff, push 4.
I'll confirm that Aces 99 is also clear for takeoff.
1000.
Aces 01, solid departure, radar contact, verify you're on the Dublin 06 Alpha.
Aces 01 on the Dublin 6 Alpha, apron.
Thanks.
4, 5, 6.
Box! Yep, there's the break.
Can you say what's the plan?
Yeah, we're about 15 minutes till we can launch the Bobby, so we're going to go ahead and bring the RPF home. I didn't slay it. Then we'll get the Bobby airborne and start from there. How much playtime you got left?
How's that?
Okay, copy. I'm going to pull it back, Max and Dora. I'll let you take 3 and 4 down track, and then I'll take 0-2. Past 1-1's going to chase him on that. I'd like to get Aces 2-1 out to the airspace.
Copy.
Sorry about that. 9-9, I'm pushing up. I'll hold 9-9. Alright, Mark, Aces 0-1. I'm going to push back on over to Whetstone and hang out there until 0-3 and 0-4 have shot with the 1-1.
And 0-1 for 1-1, we'll be working on discrete 138.15.
Let us know if we're seeing a signal.
1, standby. Aces 01, we're showing good to go. You can proceed down track.
Okay, you're showing good to go.
Too far away.
Fox times 1. Fox times 2. Crank, go out.
Did you get him?
Alright, Aces 02, come up my AUX 125.150.